Feast your eyes, Patrick.
What is it?
The paddy wagon.
So sorry if there's a little bit of a gap in footage, but Red Bull sent an entire film crew out here because this is for their soapbox race. So they basically took a cool, like, kind of working montage. So there was just so much going on, I could not pick up the camera. But I'll put some links in the description if the videos are out. They should be really cool, super high production quality. I mean, they had lights, huge mics, it was awesome. But we got the seat raised up about 12 inches. That way we're kind of sitting higher in the paddy, and it's completely painted. So, oh my gosh, it looks incredible.
Yeah, so right now I'm just cutting out some of the cheese. So yeah, y'all guys will see in a second, but like putting cheese and lettuce on this thing makes it so much better. It makes it look so much more realistic.
Yeah, that's a lot of talking, but that's all. Now you're all up to speed. Let's just get the details done.
We're gonna toast the cheese. That should be good. Looks a little bit more realistic, and it matches our overall shading of the burger.
These little styrofoam eggs, cut them with a hacksaw, just left the middle in there. And then what we're left with is our little sesame seeds that we painted up. So we've got a lot of these, they'll help cover the blemishes. And also we had these foam pieces that we glued together, and these are gonna be our headlights. They're really cartoony, they have like a cool coral texture, really Spongebob-y. Like the taillights and headlights look pretty sweet. So these are gonna get glued and probably screwed on. Headlight time. We just got a bunch of glue on there.
Yeah.
It's kind of scary right now.
Yeah. It's like a weird mix of cartoon and real, but
yeah, it needs more cheese
once
and
we get
lettuce.
cheese, lettuce, and then all the other little cartoony things, it should look not creepy.
Yeah. Joe's just in here. Putting
My little cage.
That's gonna be annoying. I like the sag of it though.
Yeah, it should hop around pretty good.
Alright, so we got all the cheese on, ended up just hot gluing it. We tested, it's not gonna damage the foam or anything. And it looks so much better. It looks like less creepy.
Yeah, definitely.
So, yeah. And then we'll get some lettuce on, that'll help like cover up the little edges, and then we'll be done with like that part, so it's looking pretty good.
All right, now that the cheese is done right here, we got the sesame seeds, so these are just one of the final details. Just some low temp hot glue is what I think we're gonna use to hold them on. It doesn't melt the foam, which is nice. Just lob that up. Hide this like blemish right here. Boom. Beautiful.
Very nice. Nice. Yeah, that's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, so on top of the cheese, we're gonna have this lettuce, and this will kind of help hide the seam between the bun and the patty, as well as the seam between the cheese and the bun. So yeah, this will kind of just bunch up in here, and we'll have to glue it in and hide the ends, but you know, kind of going like that. That'll look pretty good.
Yeah, it's just fabric. And you do a little spray paint to touch it up.
Yeah.
Like the cheese.
It'll be flappy, look cool, and make it look nicer and more seamless.
Yeah, we might not have enough to go all the way around, so we might have to just stitch it in.
Do some bunches, but yeah. Mainly the low, like the stove with overhangs looks really good, but on this side there's less overhang, so we'll definitely put it there, definitely over the cheese. But I mean, we're almost done.
Yeah.
We're getting really close.
It's kinda awesome.
All right, I have an idea. Teeth. Oh, dude, that's horrible. That's nightmare face. I love it. Look at that face.
It looks like, oh god.
It's like a BMW.
The face only a mother could love.
Yeah, and us.
And us.
That's funny, that was perfectly in frame when you put it. Alright, yeah, but lettuce is going on, a little bit of hot glue. She's starting to look more cartoony and less like
creepy,
freakishly real. Like this frame, are you serious? It just looks like, yeah. We need to make it match the headlights, and I think the lettuce is helping. Yeah, we're onto the tail lights.
Yep, looking pretty good.
Yep, same thing, just screws from the back. It looks like
Worst face.
like those rabbits.
Like
It looks like that face.
Oh yeah.
Throwback.
So.
All right, patty shaping up. Follow the lettuce. What's this?
The Krusty Krab flag. This will be on the back,
Yeah.
flapping around. This is just some felt that we cut out.
Yep. So, for the full experience.
We're teaching an arts and crafts summer camp next year.
Yeah, seriously.
Paper mache and noodle art.
So the lettuce is done and it looks amazing. The flag is hung. So we're at a really good stopping point, and I think what we're gonna do is just call it, because this is the last day we have to work on stuff.
Yep.
Going back to college, A&M and tech, so get going, guns up, all that's good stuff. What do we have left to do?
Got plates left, windshield left.
Windshield plates, interior.
Interior, we're gonna do it out of cardboard. We need to cut some holes for the tie rods, and that's it. So it's pretty much done.
All right, guys. So it's been about 3 weeks. We just got back from college, and it's time to wrap up the paddy wagon.
Yes, so it's looking really good. It's actually really exciting to see it again. It looks awesome. So where we left off, we have a few other things left to do. We have to do things like lettuce, windshield, interior, steering and clearance the tie rod, screw down the paddy, weld the flag, and put on the license plates. But this thing is really coming together. Let's just get her done.
So I'm just cutting out the windshield right now. We just bought some plexiglass and then scored it with an X-Acto knife, and then you just kind of break it out, and we're getting there. All the brackets riveted in. They're actually really strong. I'm really surprised at how it turned out. And then now we're just putting this little trim piece on the outside just to kind of smooth out the edges and the little gashes from cutting out the plexiglass.
Yeah, turned out real nice. So.
Yeah, really happy with how this went.
Okay, so the windshield's done. It looks amazing. I mean, like every little thing we add just makes it look so much better and better. But basically, we have 2 self-tappers on the metal, like kind of frame rail right in between here, and that's gonna hold it just fine. Okay, so we took the paddy off because we need to do a roll test, because we actually haven't tested how this thing steers or brakes. It's pretty straightforward though. It just needs to roll pretty good. I mean, we're pretty confident it's fine. It's all Go Power Sports parts, but we'll just test it right now.
That's not bad. Hey, I mean, it's nothing special, but it's not bad. I think
Yeah, it seemed pretty good. Cool. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll put the body back on and finish up the paddy.
Okay, our testing went well, so we put the body back on, but now we have to cut out the body right here to fit the tie rods. So let's just cut it a little bit.
Trying to cause the least amount of carnage.
Least damage possible.
But
It's not bad.
I'm telling you guys, the windshield looks really good.
Definitely helps.
We also put through the front to go plate on. I mean, she's thumbs up for paddy wagon, people. Thumbs up for paddy. Woo! She's coming together.
Yep.
That's the good plate on, yeah.
Yeah, right now we're just clearing the holes. Just cut the chicken wire out of the way. And steering is done.
I'm gonna give it a
Yeah,
turn.
let's see. It does hit there, but it kind of just ripped it and self-clearanced. And on the track, we shouldn't need it.
That much angle, yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Also, she just needs to stay in one piece till we get to the race. We do want to keep her intact, but it is racing, so
Gotta win.
that's Godspeed, Patty. So we just painted up all of our interior panels. It's really just cardboard, but it's gonna be nice. We kind of went with a darker color, so it looks like a little classier interior, you know. So what we'll do now is we kind of notch these pieces. I think they actually bent a little bit in the sun, but the goal is we're just gonna hot glue them up there. So there's that, and then here is the side piece, just so y'all kind of get the deal.
We got some streaks, but it'll look better than nothing.
Yeah, I really think so. So, yeah, that's gonna look good when it's all kind of held up. We're probably just gonna hot glue it around here and then just like kind of just let it hold itself in the back. But It looks nice.
Okay, so we have the interior all in. It basically just hot glued in the cardboard and did a little taping at the edges when we needed it. So yeah, now it's time to put in the seat. So here we go.
Naturally racing seat, you know. All this stuff's from Go Power Sports, y'all. Check them out.
Yep.
But, ooh.
It's looking good.
Yeah, no, I like how it's like definitely more of like a cockpit, you know, like
Yeah, that
it's very driver focused experience.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. And it's like you can just barely see like the little poke through the racing seat. It's coming along. So what's left, man?
Racing seats, and then we gotta do the lettuce, and then maybe a little bit of the dashboard, but
Yeah,
other than that,
nearly there. It's almost race time, baby.
yep.
All right, the lettuce is done.
Done.
What you thinking?
Dude, it looks so good. It feels great. Just like having the interior on the inside really helps. And I mean, I'm blown away.
You're looking good in there,
Yeah.
man. I think we should drive back to college in this.
Yeah. Yeah, all we need are, we're gonna do a little finishing touches on the dashboard, kind of some gauges, little throwbacks to the movies, but yeah, that's it.
Oh my. Oh my.
Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. This thing made a huge transformation. It looks really great. Make sure to check us out for the next video when we actually race it at Red Bull. There's only a few weeks left, so make sure you vote for us. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Go Power Sports, and see you next time.